Alam mo
yun, street deal magingay!
Pinatakbo yung laro, di akalain. Di mapapasa amin, kayo na mga bida, kami na mga villain. Alam mo di kilala mo talarigas cause we running. Pinatakbo yung laro, di akalain. Di mapapasa amin, kayo na mga bida, kami na mga villain. Kami na mga villain.
Street deal magingay! Racing nga pala, shoutout sa We Up Music, Allison Studio. Maraming salamat sa Street Deal, Dollar Records, at sa lahat ng dumalo. Bago ang lahat, gusto ko nga pala i-shoutout Palabok House Restaurant. Maraming salamat kay Ate Lydia. TBS 13, E-Town Turf, I Am Magbanwa Films, syempre Dollar Records, Dress to Kill, 90s Cold Closet, shoutout kay Harold. Cypher 1, Mr. C, Paid by Stocks, alam niyo na kung saan kayo magpapagutin. Shoutout kay OG JR Songko, happy birthday kay OG Levi's, Crucito Uno, shoutout Freezer Burn Rap Battles and Capital Rap Battles, we got them here. Of course,
hi Frenchie.
thank you to Foundry on White for the venue.
Yes sir!
Yo, rapper to my left, paalala ka.
Kyle nga pala.
Alam mong DR, kilala mong Dala Records cause we running. Pinatakbo yung laro, di akalain.
Shout out We Up Music, Dollar Records. Let's get it on, boy.
Rapper to my right, pagpakilala ka. Alam mong DR, kilala mong Dala Records cause we running. Pinatakbo yung laro, di akalain.
Oh, si Ninong Ray, oh. Yo, before we get all the super aggressive rap shit, thank you very much, Street Deals. Bricks have been trying to get me over here like since October. I've been busy, I'm sorry. But I made it, Street Deals. Edmonton, make some fucking noise. And also, shouts out to my sponsor, Viva Max. Let's go.
Yo, mauna si Kael. Yo, respect the MC. Makinig tayo ng mabuti. Main event to. Unang barat para kay Kael.
Woo! Magkaiba tayo ng forte. Pero parehas battle rap yung napiling gulo. Pinatulan kita sa battle kahit di ko gusto. Sige, mag-English ka dyan na magdamagan. Tol, wala akong pake. Ano, mag-a-adjust ako pa? Eh kung patagalugin kita sa battle, putang ina mo, kaya mo ba? Ako, taglis lang. Pero mga rounds, malaman tol, nagiging mundo. Kamatayan mo ako magiging sundo. Panoorin yung pumatay ng Pilipinong hilaw ang isang Pilipinong buo. Street Deal! Former champion ka pala. Tumaas ka with awards. Mas marami ka daw sa akin. Tumatak na spit sa bars. Pagkalaban kita pwedeng lumabas yung skills ko, Gar. Kasi Xavier na yan, well, fuck that bitch. Who the fuck do you think you are? Sigurado nasa isip mo sino si Kael. Hindi mo kilala. Baguhan pa yun. O ano naman ngayon? Kung magyayabang ka sa akin, nasa CRB ka, remind ko lang anong pakiramdam na talunan ka doon. Kasi men, masusunog ka sa spit ko, parang bunganga ng mayon. Huwag mo kong ituring batukan, mararanasan mo kung paano mang baon si Kael gamit solid mga rounds sa parang bala ng kanyon. Kamusta? Ha? Kamusta, professor ng battle rap? Yung mga walang kwenta mong MCs, tinuturuan mo pa yon? Sinubuan mo ng oras, ginugulan panahon. Tinutukan sa gayon. Pumutok pero malas kang namuhunang nabaon. Bigyan mo ko ng isang kasagutan sa tanong, may natutunan ka ba doon? Kasi itong pinasok mo, ibang klase. Ikaw naman tuturuan ko ngayon. Pero bago yon, bibigyan kita ng tsansa. Labas! Habang bukas pa yung pinto, nagdidilim paningin ko. Nananabon ako ng champion, tol, bubula yung bibig mo. Tingin nyo, bakit? Ha? Tingin nyo mananalo to sa akin? Nah, man. Di na dapat tanungin. Isa yon sa mga di mo makakayang abutin ng mas isipin mo kung saan kanila dapat damputin kapag patay ka na pagtapos kung pagpapalakulin. Kaya si Bak, tong feeling instructor na puro ebas gago. Wala tong may manghalo. Astang commander to sa briefing, pero pag may gera, talo. Nagtuturo ng baguhan. Kaya manalo ka sa akin, re, paano kung yung class mo pang beginner lang habang S-class na ako? Bobong walang kwenta. Tanga, inutil, puro bullshit pakul. Yung mga lessons mo sa battle rap, di na mauulit patol kasi yung teacher nyo patay na. Parang shooting sa school. Yan.
Fire.
Yeah, nang babalagbag na to sa battle, sanay sa booze and wows. Marami mang nanonood o kahit few yung crowd. Kakatayin lang kita, boy, I don't give a fuck who gone doubt. Tong baboy na to, walang alam yung pinuntahan niya, slaughterhouse. Kamusta, tol? O diba, gusto mo ng battle rap? Yeah, let's get it on, ha? Lalaban kay mas... kamusta, tol? Diba gusto mo ng battle rap? Well, yeah, let's get it on, ha? Lalaban ka sa master ng Tagalog when you don't even know how. But wait, let's slow down. May pangalan ka. Salamat sa pagpunta sa showdown. Artist pala event, you make your own sounds. Pero usapang battle rap, bitch, sabog ka on cam, parang boom bam. Cause I'm new to the game. Yeah, bro, I'm new to the game, but feel like I've been rapping since I was 7. Ain't no Bible verses, but these lines from heaven. I'm Saint Michael when I pull up Street Deal, gon' turn into Armageddon. This fat bitch with mild depression, who's addicted to psychedelics. I'm gonna crack your head like watermelon and then beheaded in 30 seconds. They say life is... They say life is a movie. Well, I'ma write your ending, man. I'm just saying with these bars I'm bending, don't get too hard on yourself. Motherfucker, I can put you down like it's 9/11. Oh, bago lang ako sa battles. Yeah, gotta chill.
We got a battle.
Yeah,
Good.
yo,
I like that.
bago lang ako sa battles. Kaya yung plano nyo obvious.
Yeah.
Tatalunin nyo ng maaga yung Cerberus na on the loose, tipong bago tumubo yung halaman, bubunutin from the roots. Tingin mo sa akin baguhan? Pues sasapitin mo, abuse. Sa skills natin, nagkamali ka ng deduce. Baka sagasaan lang kita. Semi-truck, naka-nitro boost. Kasi kung nasa prime ka pa, ako prime din. Pero yung prime ko, Optimus. Yeah, what's going on, man?
Yeah. That's hard.
The prime ko, Optimus. Yeah,
I like
simple
it.
lang na bars. At panlalait, barang gonna make this bitch mad as fuck. Maging ikaw, man, that stuff. Puro dakdak lang to sa ring, but nah, this man can't dunk. Beast mode, no beast mode. Fame, that sucks. Bigatin ka na rapper cause you're fat as fuck. Pagtutukan ko pa to, you see this man gone duck. Then bang, maglap. Di mo kilala, kalaban mo, huwag ka magmamatapang gago. Gusto mo kung talunin, di maglabas ka ng bago. Ikaw, pababuyin kita ng magdamag sa harap ng mga tao, pero huwag ka masyadong kabahan, nagsisimula pa lang tayo.
Round one. Savior, let's get it.
Yeah. You guys like that round or what? Street Deals magingay. So it's Xavier versus Kael. I just came from the slaughterhouse. I just went through hell. Word to that school shooter bar. I brought him what? A K&12, bro, Kael. You already know it's time to rhyme. You should know the time I'll be on the moment they cracking shells over his noodle. Parang pansit canton. This drop weighs a ton. The crime scene filthy. I'm so dope shit. Duterte tried to kill me. He'll be your sacrificial lamb and not your cash cow. Well, they gave the name. I thought Manila Bay. I'm taking trash out. Fast route. Blade fillet, cheek, the fist with the team. Malarod tang. Oh, man. See the bird spitting flames. Kumakain siya ng samyang. God damn. Kumakain siya ng samyang. God damn. You really thought this was going to be worth all the effort? Bro, they gave me a debut. It gave you too high a bar to measure. Okay, sure, you're taller than me, so in height you grew more, yet you better make sure your material is ironed out or you'll end up as a fresh shirt. Pressure. You really thought this is gonna be worth me at 100? I became a champion, as you know, the moment they called me. Bro, even me cruising you couldn't fuck with. Censored would have botted you. That's not even a diss, bro. He and I alone right now would fuck this roster shit up. Bro, it's CRB. The strength of the pack with me, 6'3", 1'3". Nah, T.O. to Cap City, they be pressing them like G's, creasing their dickies. When I'm onto you, killers on the loose. Thin Lizzy, Kyle. What is it that you gon' lie about me? Speak ill, and they will. Be on the corner, shoot 3. Kyle Lowry, Toronto shit. Stabbings on buses, big machines, loud, and them high beams. Aim nice, monster in one eye, Mike Wazowski, Kyle! Yeah! What is it for real that you gon' spit about? Regardless, they gon' cry after they slide. They finna die, he Kyle Rittenhouse. The material you favor is garbage. The material you favor is garbage. You heard me. The material you favor is garbage. Straight into the trash is where I place it. One round, one sheet. How's that for a blanket statement? Bro, I'm just saying, this is not about you gaining my respect or winning. Nah, I'm saying it's a bet. This is you meeting the person who paves the way that you not step. So use every single breath, say it with your chest. Because for me, it's time off. For you, it's your career's test. Sure, I really hope you do make the most of your attempt. I don't have long rounds, except for one into his head, bro. It's a match. It's a match. I got a job to go and be done. I gotta ask, are you stupid or are you dumb? Go ahead and rebuttal my shit. I know your mannerisms. Do what you gotta do. Regardless of all the moves he tries to pull off, I know this boy finna lose. And I'm not gonna say nothing about what happened at Bricks' house. If you know, then you know. I'm not gonna say nothing about Bricks' house. If you know, then you know. And if you do, of course, this boy's ducking the smoke, bro. It's one. Yo. Game. Yo. So what? You got what you paid for. Let's go, Street Deals. Let's go.
Let's go.
Damn. Wow.
Say it again.
Damn. Seryoso. Damn. Sobrang angas. Gangsta na gangsta.
Barely.
Scary ang puta. Pero laban niya kay RCG, ganito po siya.
I'm dead.
Go ahead with your little rebuttals.
Gang.
Maybe some jokes or English that might help you win.
Puta, seryoso kayo? Tol, hindi lang yun. Ito pa.
So it's fine.
Nakaganto pa siya.
So it's fine. Rebuttal my shit. Joke. Maybe it might help.
Ha? Fuck that shit! Bricks na ba naman? Yung tinuturin yung mabigat, to na ba yan? Sabi ko, yung maangas, di yung may kakulangan sa labanan ng sulatan, tapos bibigyan mo ko ng tunog bading, ikaw puki ng ina mo, ang sarap ng durahan. Oh, pue! Sobrang weak, pre! Yung paglaban mo sa akin, parang made na pala absent, tol, wala kang silbi. Bubugbugin lang kita sa battle rap, man, is the shit that I'm on. Kahit di ako taga dito, E-Town, this is my zone. Hasta ang very great na battler versus quality ng champion, pues bagsak ka na when I'm done, kasi sa heavyweight na rapper, pues ako heavyweight na John Jones. Yung stilo mong dala, ang bobo shit, mga bara mong bitbit, kahit ito Dowex, kaya kitang durugin kahit gamitan lang ng common sense. Kaso brutal ako lumaban. Pistol. Pistol, I'ma put 2 bullets in this mofo's head. Pinatay na kita sa round 1, bang! Tapos round 2 pa, tawag doon, double dead. Botya! Bugbog sarado ka ngayon, bro. Di ka makakataka sa sunod-sunod na mga panties, mala undisputed na boy ka. Latso ka sa akin na tosta. Di ka na makakaporma. Lamo ka na sa akin, wala ka ng bukas sa dila. Kung makamandag, walang luna sa tanda. Amang mga baboy sa gupa pagkain na hari na cobra.
Give me this shit water, man, bro. Hydrate, y'all. Make some noise. He's drinking, guy.
Yo, gutom na gutom to sa battle rap tapos kinalaban mo sa gera. Bagay sa'yo ikadena. Babaliin ko lahat ng buto mo sa katawan tapos ilalagay ka sa maleta. Pagka uwi ko, gutom pa rin. Gabi na, maghahanap ako ng dinner. Yung maleta sa kusina, bubuksan ko na yung zipper. Si Xavier nasa mesa, babalatan to make you slimmer. Dissect kunin yung utak, puso, bagat sa liver. Forgive me God kasama sinner. Kanibal to na killer. Pagtapos tadta rin, dinner. Usapang doom, ako yung bringer. Si Kael, winner. Si Taba, nasa freezer. Nasa freezer. Nasa freezer. Nasa freezer. Nasa freezer. Nasa freezer. Oh! Kala nyo nag-joke at uminom? Wala ba kayong nakuha? Siyempre, pag busog yung kanibal, kailangan tubig muna. Kaya, di pa ako tapos. Wala kang takas, brutal to. Kaya mabuhay ka malabo. Gagawin ko na lang sa'yo mamaya yung naisip ko na plano. Tipong kabaong mo na lang yung sasakay pa uwi sa aeroplano. Paano? Pagdating sa airport, automatic to sa banyo. Susundan kitang may patalim na nakatago. Galawan preparado, sa liig ng tarantado, saksak lang na saksak hanggang patay na tong si Gago tila sobrang tigas ng binili kong halo-halo. At Gago, last 2 battles ko kalugar na ito. So pangatlo kanila. Grabe tang ina. Buong city na pala kalaban ko, tapos ako lang mag-isa. Oo, 3 beses na yan. Tapos nung isa mamaya sa labas, pupulutin nyo pa to. Bonjing, ito payo ko sa'yo. Magpasalamat ka na lang sa akin at mas mabuting alam mo kasi kung sa Toronto ko napadpad, uubusin ko kayo. Kaya kung di mo ako kilala, after this shit, I'll make sure that you fucking know me. Resulta ng laban natin yung like your bitch just started humping on me. Yeah, I smoke a little bit of herb, pass me a blunt and you'll see. Pero di ba matagal ka na sa hip-hop? Watch me smoke this OG. Kaya sa akin sunog ka, malilibing ka pa sa lalim. Kasi pag sindihan ko na, dediretso ka sa coffin! At oo, nag-joke na ako sa laban. But fuck you, bitch, natuto na ha. Na pag mas maigi kang sumulat, mas marami kang mabubura. Kaya may deads ngayon na rapper, hiwalay kaluluwa, maiiwan lang na ghost. Wala kasing ibubuga. Kaya tawagan mo, pamilya mo, para magsabing goodbye. Total, pasikat ka, I'll make you follow the light. Lil bro, it's Marvin tonight. You ain't going home alive. Then I'ma call airport customer service saying Xavier's dead, so it's go miss his flight. But for some reason you live, I know you gon' cry on your pillow like a baby kasi all that's all night. Sige, iyak lang ng iyak until you're feeling alright. But don't shed too much tears, little bitch, cause no woman, no cry. At last, huling kalaban niya na Tagalog, sabi niya, go ahead, rebut my shit. If you're going to, actually, I'm gonna make you my fucking son. Ha? Alam mong di English yung forte ng tao, kaya madali mong na-corner. Pag rebatin ba naman ng English yung Tagalog, ba siguradong game over? Pues karma yung balik, mas masakit dito sa madayang performer. Rebat my shit in Tagalog, kung kaya mo, I might make you my fucking daughter. Fuck off! Oh, you're a faggot! That's fire! That's fire!
Yo, pangalawang banat!
Yeah.
Para kay Xavier.
Let's go, Kyle.
Let's go.
He asked me to rebuttal in Tagalog. Oh yeah? Okay. Wag na. Anyways, dito sa Bata Rap, kumpara sa akin, boy. Bata ka lang, boy. But now this fucking kid gonna see na parang ako ay si Bata when they lining up a stick. Bro, they sliced him with a shiv, poked him in his ribs. You better hope I don't go inside a pocket again. They paid our profits for this. The homies knew that I slid. Bro, I beat a shit in, open palm or a fist, cussed an arm and a leg. He went out on a limb. See the game get to real. It's an Oculus Rift. Bro, this is the war zone. Now you're going head first into the field. Sure, you got a plate, but today it doesn't save you from getting killed. And get personal with you still. Regardless, he wouldn't last, because you know he finna die if he gets stuck in the gas. Bro, I'm not calling you trash. It's just that you're not that different. Dude, you're a new battle rapper. Good shit. With a new platform that got him feeling privileged. Fucking high five. Your battle, high views, likes, shares, comments, statistics. But beyond your girlfriend, you couldn't even bring 1% to this venue to witness. Bro, you fucking bitches have honestly gotten so lucky here. Because yeah, arguably, you are the best battler on this platform. But, honestly, you're the worst battler I booked this entire year. Bro, I have 7 matches, 3 Americans, 4 cities. More battles, even into the states that I'm waiting to get cleared. I'm doing more in 2024 and next than you've ever done in your career. Bro, it's Lucky, Calmado, Psyche, Xavier? Whew. How does that make sense? I mean, bricks, 3 chances, and I know I finally said yes, but I really do hope next time you really wanted to invest. Next time you just avoid the stress of watching your dog get put down by a vet. Bro, I stress. that you don't talk, bro, I stress that you don't talk about my height, my weight, and my dick today. Because honestly, I have a question. Do you guys talk about each other's dicks to fucking compensate? Bro, I told RCG I couldn't see my dick because it was in his bitch's mouth during our match. But he can't see his dick because it's too far in each other's ass. Bro, you fucking fags. I'm sorry, I'm not talking politically correct. It's just that sometimes when I watch local Tagalog battle rap, honestly, my mind is just a mess. I just see a bunch of grown-ass men talking about the dick sizes of their friends just to shake hands and beg bricks to be the bottom bitch at Dollar Records in the end. Bro, I'm at his neck. Bro, I'm at his neck. It dragged him down to deep waters. Yeah, you can try to dodge me, but these challengers of my caliber to me seem smaller. I'm making sure they finna clip this bud like weed farmers and leave him stacks with a fade that's worth than cheap barbers. Come on. Okay.
Let's go! Bawi! Pangatlong banat para ikain.
Yo! Okay. Marami kang battle sa akin. Mas marami. Tama ka, mamen. Pero ilang years na yun nakalipas, bonjing ka pa rin.
Facts.
Pero okay, sige. Ang galing eh. We up DRTBS. Halika na dong. Basta first day mo, yung paso sa ilong.
This guy.
First day mo, yung paso sa ilong. Second day sa puwet.
Wow.
Third day, walang paso, pero whole day, bawal pumikit. Fourth day, may pagkain. Fifth day, manalangin. Sixth day, magluluto ka para sa buong grupo. Paborito mo pa naman yun, tapos si aso lang kakain. Seventh day, may kontrata ka na. Disipulo ka na ni Master. Ganun talaga, 7 days lang yung kailangan pagka 1 week rapper. Pero damn, bigatin to na rapper. Nagkampiyon at umangat. MCing matimbang. Tapos tinalo niya lahat. Alam mo, nung nakita kita, may aral sa akin bumakat. Gusto mong malaman kung ano? Ang sarap maging payat.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Let's go.
Tol! Pinagdasal ko dating tumaba. Nakapikit, nag-aabang. Pero kung ganito magiging itsura ko, sasabihin ko kay Lord, huwag na lang. Kasi kung ako maging ikaw, ayoko maging ikaw. Tingnan nyo naman, di ba para di ka matake advantage, you have to stand up for yourself. Ito naman, pag matumba, he can't stand up by himself. At sigurado umasa to na ma-burnout ako. Maubusan ng mga barang pasulong. Gago, mapapa-burnout mo lang ako pag ikaw yung nasa ilalim ng gulong. Kaya ano? Oo, hindi ko papalampasin yung titi mong lubog.
I'm dead. Told you. That's 2 right there. I'm wanting more.
Lahat ng lalaki dito may morning mood. Yung titi mo tulog. Kinain na ng tiyan, partida, di ka pa busog. Siguro lumalabas lang yan pag kinagat ng bubuyog. Tapos pag-usapang babae, feeling winner na tubay, putang ina mo, pag kumantot ka, tawag dun splinter sa puday. Kaya sige, mag-rebut ka. Deny mo. Kantutin mo kahit sino. But remember bro, these folks can't be fooled. Lalong-lalo na sa rapper na tinuli na yung ginamit micro tools.
This guy.
So ano yan? So paano ka kumantot? Ha? Itututok mo ng maayos, tapos itataas konti yung bilbil. Putang inang titi yan, no? Parang ulo ng turtle.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's pretty far. I'll give him that. I'll give him that.
Ano?
I'll give him that.
Tapos dito, gagangsta-gangsta ka?
Let's go.
Bakit? May gang ka na ba, tol?
Holy shit.
Yung gang sign nila, ganto. Ganto ka magjakol.
Fire.
Ano?
Yeah,
Titi mo na naman. Bakit masakit na? Malamang sasabihin ko maliit yan. Bakit malaki ba? Oo, tol. Lalaitin kita ng magdamag. Tignan natin kung di ka mangayaw hanggang yung utak mo sabaw. O di ba, Team Sinigang ka? Ba't mukha kang kalabaw? Team Sinigang, ganito itsura. Seryoso, addict to. Kaya pala Team Sinigang kasi ang asim mo. Team Sinigang, makakakita na ng MCing malupit. Team Sinigang, tong member nyo, lamon to sa akin at punit. Team Sinigang, ngayong gabi, mamamatay tong makulit. Team Bulalo, o next event, ang patayin kita ulit. O, tol, kasi ba? Ano, gusto mo ng beef? Ha? Ano, gusto mo ng beef? Wag na. Di worth it dito sa mata pobre. Nabihira lang lumaban pag walang perang nasa sobre. Kasi taga Toronto daw siya. Habang Regina lang ako, pre. Pero tong representing True North, gagawin kong Karne Norte. Oo. Gutay-gutay ka sa akin, tol. Wala kang pwede pang sabihin. Di ka uuwing buhay, tipong walang huling habilin. Di ko tinutuko yung sayaw kapag ikaw yung pinagiling. Tol, ba't sa akin ka lumaban? Bakit? Ubod ba ng yabang paglabanan ng liriko? Alam mo bang wala na akong... Tol, ba't sa akin ka lumaban? Bakit ubod ba ng yabang paglabanan ng liriko? Alam mo bang wala na akong kalaban kasi takot silang sumalang tapos si Bricks ay nang hinayang kaya ka nga nandirito. Oo, sobrang dami nagatrasan. Pag yung Diyos na bumigkas, sigurado mapintas. Masakit yung mga rounds para nahawa ng tigdas. Paglaban nito sa Tagalog, ito na yung naging last. Nakakatawang may savior ka sa pangalan pero wala kang ligtas.
Fire.
Yeah, assassinated tapos ka, bitch. Assassinated tapos ka, bitch. Boy, hitman to na artist. Kung yung pencil mo pang battle rap, ako pencil ko pang John Wick. Kaya wag kang mag-angas. Maging humble din kung di pa natututo. Gusto mo lumakas? Tiwala sa sarili, tipong di ka naguguho. Para mag-iwan ng bakas. Kaya nga sa mga MCs nagtuturo to kasi may dream siyang tumaas. Well, fuck your dreams. Kaharap mo, pangungot mo. Tagalog laban sa Ingles na may mga bala na mintes. Dinadaan lang sa body movements para mas nakaka-impress. Rapper ka na, dancer ka pa. Baka bobo ka lang. Dinadaan lang sa galaw pero bara walang turot naman habang yung suntok pasikot-sikot wala napupuntahan. Pes ngayon makinig ka sa isang gurong halang. Matutukan ka lang. Uuwi tong si Ondo pagapang unang turo pa lang. Gusto mong sumayaw? Backflip sa uppercut to ano, suntukan na lang. Wala lang 8 counts. Knockout to. Tignan natin kung makatayo ka pa dyan. Magbe-breakdance ka ng bali-bali, buong katawan. Tipong lumalabas na yung buto sa laman. Kita na yung bungo pagkatapos ko balatan. Tapos lumalabas na yung dugo tsaka sana yung chainsaw na mapa-headspin ko to. Pero ulo na lang. Ganun mag-flow. Ganun mag-flow, masarap sa tenga, di yung pangit mong style. Flow mo kasi matabang sa panlasa, ako ay turn water to wine. Kaya X marks the spot. Wala kang taka sa akin, Brad. Pag mag-spit na ako ng fire, maririnig yung firing squad. Kaya di mo ako matitinag. Respectfully, boy. Kahit anong gusto mong gawin, wala ka magagawa, you're dead to me, boy. Sana lang naghanda ka ng maigi, nag-prep to si boy, kasi kahit 1 week, 1 month, o 1 year pa yan, motherfucker, you ain't shit to me, boy! Kaya anong kampiyon ng CRB? Pwe! Baka isip bata, puro anime bars lang naman ini-spit niyang bara. Pues kahit magsama ka pa dyan ng kapatid barkada, buong team at gang tumagambag ng bala, I don't give a fuck, buong angkan pa man yung dalhin ni Yawa. Sa akin, ubos to mga bitches, parang this is Sparta. Tanggapin mo lahat ng sinasabi ko hanggang mainis ka sa akin. Isa ka lang sa mga mabilis mamain, big fish daw, pero di ka matiniklapain kahit anong spit wala rin. Kung yung kalaban mo mas gutom pa sa nabitin sa kanin. Oo, ang tagal ko nagtiis na nahimik sa amin. Gustong mabattle dati pa pero ni events wala rin. CRB tsaka Street Deal, eto may dumikit na sa akin. Kung nag-release kayo ng Big Fish, kami release na Kraken. Little bro, you ain't shit. It's Wuging in his bitch. Kahit sampa akong idayo sa mga ibayo, sigurado yung dinayo basag. Sa ensayo babad. Angat lagi yung lakas ko tatag, walang mintes na performance, partida di pa ako masyadong bayad. Nang ibabaw, umangat sa mga bagong lapag. Pinatay ko kahit sinong tarantadong labag. Yung baguhan na puro tulog at masyadong tamad. Naging baguhan na dinudurog mga champion agad. Pagkari, boy.
Magiging para kay Kain!
That's how you turn up. That's how you turn up.
Last round na, pangatlong balat na Xavier.
Yo, last round, everyone, make some noise for yourself. Not too long, I've been in the game to learn that most of the lames is see-through. Because honestly, if I stayed blind, then I took the typical ways. I just end up to be you. Someone who is just waiting for the homies and the dick riders to make me think that I'm legit, but still wait for someone like me to put in the work and make you the main event. Bro, I've been said this entire weekend. I done got them dick jokes and shit fake angles. Just so you know. Kasi tangin na tol, mababaw talaga ang kaligayahan ninyo. Sinabi siyang Kristo kung mga anghel at santo, pero sino bang totoong savior sa eksena dito? Oo, hindi ako nagtatagalog. Pero ano ba ang problema? Kayo ba? May bang plano ba para tumakas sa sistema? Batas, AJ Power, Looney, lahat sila. Nag-English sa mga batas nila. At wala kayong masabi. Pero kung wala akong Tagalog, kahit isang beses, hindi ako tunay na Pilipino. Putang inang grabe. Well, you guys are stuck in a fucking bubble. And the so-called pride has kept us ignorant. And then they wonder why the mother guys barely let us into shit. Tell me, who's the one who's been fighting to show that Filipinos can fight in the North? Exactly. I don't have to say that much more. So go ahead and say what you want about me, my family, my friends, the league, the team, but I can still see through it all, bro. You wouldn't dare say shit to me. Bro, this is battle rap, not real life. What you say to me tonight can't be taken literal, but we know by the word of God, the Savior passed it on. What I spoke in verses are biblical. Bro, I'm living as a champion. I don't need a belt for me to show face. You guys know. I started my career in the nation's capital. Every battle for me was a road game. These are no longer bars for me to try to compete with you. These are stats and facts that I can say in your face. Me showing up tonight does so much for Filipinos and your name. So go ahead and say, wow, natatagalog na si Gago. Ay, nagiging trying hard si Xavier masyado. Pues, alam ng hurado kung sino ba ang the best kahit di nilang aminado. So wag kayong makikab-props pa sa inyo. Bro, it's a match. Sure, I hope you learned from something that you got to see. The worst part is, you only got X at less than half speed because it's 3 rounds needed to say that a man will end you a memo. See you when I do, bitch.
Base sa Orado, 3-1 and a tie. Judges tayo.
Yo, boto tie. Nabitin ako sa round 3 ni Xavier. Pero kung di ako nabitin, pero kung nilakasan niya yun, hindi tayo yun. May deciding point yun. Pero kasi medyo nabitin ako, so tie ako.
Yo, boto ko Xavier. AJ nga pala. Maganda yung pinakita ni Kael. Maraming punchline, sobrang dami. Sobrang lakas. Xavier, mas mabibigat yung punchlines pero a battle that close, kailangan mo i-consider yung time, kaya Xavier ako. Pero although non-tournament battle siya, okay lang na mag-OT, nasa kontrata naman daw. Pero a battle that close, kailangan mo consider yung time, kaya kinot ko yung ibang punchlines ni Kael. Xavier, round 1, Kael, round 2, Xavier, round 3, Xavier.
Yo, sobrang hirap i-judge nung laban na yun. Solid eh. Pero boto ko, Xavier ako. Kasi round 1, bibigay ko yung kay Kael. Bigat yun, tumatak yun, Optimus Prime, tangin ng setup yun. Round 2 naman, binigay ko yun kay Xavier. Paano niya na-see through, na-predict niya yung mga TT bars. He saw through all that shit, na-predict niya, na parang veterano yung nagsasalita. Parang ibang level. Pero hindi naman sasabing pwet yung sulat ni Kael nung round na yun. Pero mas nadama ko yung round ni Xavier. Sa round 3, gusto kong sabihin na lumaylay si Xavier dun eh. Pero, gets ko yung mensahe. Parang pinupush niya yung envelope. Kasi kultura eh. Sining. Hindi naman siya, battle rap siya. Pero, sining yun, parte ng hip-hop yan eh. Kailangan ko lang i-explain din na kaya ako bumoto kay Xavier, bagamat laylay yung round 3 niya, mahaba yung rounds ni Kael. Mahaba yung setups. Pero, dama yun. Kumbaga, yung veterano, champion nga eh. Parang ito na yung learning siguro din ni Kael sa mga time, mga restraints, mga ganun. Kaya boto ko, Xavier. Pero solid na laban yun.
Hey yo, issue mo kayo, Maji Buddha. Sa totoo lang, tayo dapat yung laban. Pero, pinag-usapan namin yung oras, kaya pumunta ako kay Xavier. Pero, ang angas ng mga bara ni Kael, first round hanggang third round. At parehas rin kay Xavier. At Ayun lang ako.
Ako nga pala si Mr. Nobody. Binoto si Kyle. Ano siya, ang tawag dito, lumagpas siya ng ilang minuto pero kung pagbabasihan mo lang yung mga sa 4-bar setup pa lang ni Kyle, men. Sobrang kinain na yung round 3 ni Xavier. Pero round 1 kay Xavier yun, men. Round 2 kay Kyle. Peace.
So yun, base sa orado, 3-1 in a tie para kay Xavier.
Hey, I'm gonna put it like this, baby. Listen, if I made it over here, that means motherfuckers can make it over here. Stop making bitch-ass excuses. Stop being scared of the homies. Battle one of these fools and let's get this battle shit going, alright? Let's go. Toronto shit.
Yo, Kyle nga pala, We Have Music, Dala Records syempre. So yun, resulta is resulta. Yun ang magre-reflect tayo sa laban na nangyari. Titignan natin yung mga positibong upgrades na pwede natin gawin sa sarili natin. Pero pangatlo pa lang to, men. Isipin nyo, paano pag 20 na?
So yun, nakuha nyo na resulta. Street Deal mag-ingay!
Yun, Street Deal mag-ingay!
Pinatakbo yung laro, di akalain. Di mapapasamin kayo ng mga bida, kami ng mga villain. Alam mo bida, alam mo talarigas kasi running. Pinatakbo yung laro, di akalain. Di mapapasamin kayo ng mga bida, kami ng mga villain. Kami ng mga villain.